Welcome. This tutorial video will indicate how to complete a written learning update in MyED for a trimester class. The sections of this tutorial will include logging in and basic navigation, entering a proficiency descriptor, entering an overall student comment, verifying learning updates, and finally posting learning updates. To log into MyED, you will need your district-provided MyEducation BC username and password. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at the MyED BC homepage. For learning updates, please select Gradebook from the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Here you'll see a list of courses that are available to you to complete your written learning update. Finally, to enter a learning update, click on the computer icon underneath the Gradebook column. It is on this page that all data entry for a learning update takes place. In this example, you will notice that the push pins under each of the terms are green. This lets the teacher know that the grade post window is open and they can enter marks and post them. To enter data for a learning update, the grade columns tab should be adjusted to say post columns term. If you choose to enter data for an individual term, you can change the term to that which you are looking to enter the data for. In this example, we'll choose trimester 1 or term 1. To enter a proficiency descriptor, choose the cell next to the student's name under term 1 mark. You can add a score of emerging, developing, proficient, or extending. These scores are not case sensitive, and you will notice that MyED BC will indicate if you've entered an incorrect code. The cell will turn red. You'll therefore need to re-enter the correct code, hit enter once more, and the cell will turn white. Lastly, MyED BC gives you the option to autofill any scores within a column. With a cell selected, simply hold down Control and press D, and all of the remaining cells within that column will receive the same descriptor. Additionally, please be certain that when you're entering the learning update for term number 3, you are also entering that learning update in the final column as well. To enter your descriptive feedback and learning habits comments, click on the paper and pencil icon underneath the Term 1 Com column. A newly opened window will give you the ability to type your comment directly into this box. Once your comment is complete, you may choose to save and go to the previous student's comment entry, save and move on to the next student's comment entry, or you may save and close this window altogether. In this example, we will move on to the next student. MyED BC also gives us the option to copy and paste comments from another application. To do so, open the application with your comment, highlight all of the text you wish to copy, and hold down Ctrl and C to copy the text. Then proceed back to the comment box within MyED BC and hold down Ctrl and V to paste this comment. In this example, we will now save and close this comment box altogether. And when we return to the original data entry page, we will see that 2 of our comments have now been entered by means of the blue lines on the simple paper and pencil icons in this column. The same process will apply to providing overall comments on areas of significant growth and opportunities for further development in courses labeled XTC. Once you have completed entering your proficiency scale descriptors and student comments, MyED BC gives you the option to verify your learning updates by means of a PDF report. From the Gradebook top tab, choose Reports and then choose BC Grades Verification with Comments. When the new pop-up window opens, click on the magnifying glass by term and choose the term for the report you wish to run. You can then click the Run button to run the report. Your browser settings, however, may prevent you from being able to run this report. Please choose to always allow pop-ups and then proceed through this process a second time. On the second run of the report, your browser settings should now give you the ability to open this PDF file. Once data has been posted, a process we will discuss in the final section of this video, you will notice that both the student's proficiency descriptor and their comment will be displayed on this report. MyED BC gives you the option to both download or print this report for your purposes. After you have entered your proficiency descriptor and student comments, you'll be required to post your learning update. Posting your learning update will send the information to the office so that it may be printed as a report card. If all the cells in the dataset are complete, please choose the Post Grades button on the top right. A new prompt window will open in which you will need to choose the term that you would like to post. In this example, we will choose trimester 1. Please click OK. If any posting has occurred prior, you'll be asked to overwrite those scores. Please choose yes. You will notice that the push pins have turned red. This means posting has now taken place. However, you may still edit any scores at any time. If you do edit, you will need to go through the posting process a second time. Lastly, prior to posting your Term 3 learning update, please be sure that all scores in the final column align. If you have any further questions in regards to this process, please speak to the office staff or administration at your school.